Are you tired of sending the same email to each person one by one? Learn how to email everyone at once in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to compose a single email that reaches multiple recipients using CC and BCC to control privacy. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then click on Compose in the top left corner to open a new email window. In the To field, enter the email addresses of all your recipients. Separate each address with a comma or press Enter after each one to add them individually. You can also use the CC field for recipients you want everyone to see. Or use BCC to keep addresses private, a good tip when emailing a large group to protect privacy. Now write your email by entering a subject line in the subject field. Then type your message in the main body area. Once you're ready, click the Send button to send your email to all recipients at once. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.